everyone. I'm so glad that I'm here talking about math. You know how much I love math. Well, we're going to do some math review. And we're going to start with counting. First, we're going to count by ones. And we're going to count by ones, and then we're going to skip a few and start counting by ones again. Let's start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's skip a few and start again. Let's start at 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. All right, counting by ones can be lots of fun, but I like to skip count. Why do I like to skip count? Because skip counting is much faster. So let's skip count by twos. And when you skip count by twos, are we counting even numbers or odd numbers? That is a good question. So let's start and let's do our clap, our cheer. Ready? For even numbers. Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers are really great. All right, let's start counting. Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. And I could keep going on and on, but I would make sure not to count the odd numbers. Let's count by fives. Okay, I have a pattern on my number grid that shows blue, red, blue, red. But we're going to start with 0 first. Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Does anyone know what comes after 100? You're right, 105, 110. Good job. Thumbs up to you. Let's count by tens. Wow, it's really fast to get to 100 by tens. Are you ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What comes next? 110, 120. We could keep going on those also. But guess what? We don't only have to count by tens starting on the tens row. We could start on the 8 row and we could go 8, 18, 20. Well, but wait a minute. Am I sure that's really 10 in between those numbers? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You were right. So let's do it. Here we go. 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, 98, 108, 118. Whew. That is a lot of counting. Good job, friends. All right. How about if we do our odd chant for odd numbers? Are you ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odds are fine. Ready? Let's do that one again. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odds are fine. Let's count by the odd numbers. What do we start with? Number 1. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Gotta go down here now. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and on we go. Past 100, we could just keep going. Now, I know you have a number grid on your resource page, And in your math workbook that you can use to do this, you can even make the pattern of black, 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 blue, black, 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 red, if you would like to on that. Make sure you have that with you all the time for our math lessons, because you might need to do something with it when we count by twos or something. And your growing number line is another great resource for this. All right, now we've done our counting, but we have not counted back. Is counting back some more, or is it like some went away? Some more is addition, some went away is subtraction. Which one is it? Some went away. You're right, it's like subtracting all the time. Let's start with 25. Are you ready? 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ding! Good job, everybody, with your counting. Please keep on counting as high as you can go. I know you can do it because we've done it before, so keep on counting. All right. Now, we're going to look at some other things like patterns. I drew some patterns up here that I would like you to look at right now, and I'd like to label these patterns because patterns are lots of fun. Right here I have a circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. What would come next? Square, circle, square. Now I need to label those patterns because label, label, label. Don't forget to label. Always label your patterns so you know what they are. All right, so the circles would be A, and the squares would be B, and A, and B, and A, and B, and A, and B, and on and on and on. Now that is a repeating pattern, a repeating pattern. We have another repeating pattern that goes circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle. A, B, C, A, B, C, circle, rectangle, triangle. Wow. Go ahead and label it. What do I start with? A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Now, that is a repeating pattern. We also have other patterns that are growing patterns. I have a growing pattern on my calendar. It goes like this. Ready? Shamrock, star, shamrock, star, star, shamrock, star, 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 shamrock, star, 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 star. So that is a growing pattern with the B part of the pattern. Repeating and growing patterns. Good job, friends, on patterns. Now let's look at sequencing numbers. I have the number 11. Number 11, I'm going to write that in black so you can see it a little better. 11 something something 14. 11 something something 14. Well, I have a resource for that. 11, 12. A 1 with a 2 beside it. One bundle of 10 and 2 ones. 12, 13. All right, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, when you put your number line together, your Monster Squeeze number line, you were sequencing the numbers. You were putting them in numerical order. Echo, everybody. Numerical order. Good job. All right, let's look at our ordinal numbers. I've drawn some blue happy faces right here. ordinal numbers. There's 1 happy face, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, this is our line leader, happy face. Hi, line leader. So what would we call that line leader, the space in line? What ordinal number would that one be? Oh, that one would be first. Well, what number is first? What represents first? A number 1, okay. And then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth place. All right, ordinal numbers. I love my ordinal numbers. I can count a lot of ordinal numbers. All right, friends, that was really good ordinal number counting and patterns. Great job. You did a lot of good counting today. I wanted to show you my special show and tell from last week. Here's Larry Lion. What attributes does Larry Lion have? What are his characteristics? Well, he's kind of wide. He's a little bit tall. It's very fuzzy and warm. But anyway, I also wanted to show you my daughter's little bunny. It's a mom bunny. Isn't she cute? Well, look at her attributes are a little bit different than Larry the lion. Look at him. He's fuzzy. She's not very fuzzy. She's kind of cold and hard, but very special. Larry has round, soft ears. Mama Bunny has tall, hard ears. Yes, Larry's teeth aren't showing, but Mama Bunny's teeth are. Mama Bunny, let's see. She's thin and not as tall. Larry's kind of wide and taller. Let's see, I'm going to look at my other little bunny here. Oh, look at this bunny that's painting an egg. Well, that's a lot smaller than Larry and a lot smaller than Mama Bunny. Wow, so the attributes are a lot different. There's tall, how tall this item is, how wide, the type of ears, the shape, all kinds of different attributes. Let's see, I think Larry is the biggest one, or the tallest one. Mama Bunny is kind of a medium-sized animal. And then I have my smaller bunny, very small. The 3 sizes I was looking for. Let me set those special things right over here. Those are special to me. I've had Larry for a long, long time. Okay, let's see, we've done that. Let's talk about, let's see. We need to talk about money. I want to do our money cheer, and I have my money right up here on my wall. I don't know if you can see it. I have my quarter, my dime, my nickel, and my penny. I'm going to take them off my sticky tack that is up here to hold them up so you can see. And I'm going to bring them down here. All right. Before we start, let's do our money cheer. Are you ready? Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. A dime, 10 cents. A quarter, 25 cents. Let's look at this money. A penny. Oh, Zebediah's favorite president, Abraham Lincoln, Honest Abe. Copper. Let's talk about the attributes of this one. It's copper brown, smooth on the edge, worth 1 cent. Let's look at the nickel. Thomas Jefferson. On the back of the nickel is also Thomas Jefferson's home called Monticello. Thicker, smooth on the edge, Thomas Jefferson, 5 cents. Okay, here we are with Franklin Roosevelt, the little dime. I don't know why a dime is worth 10 cents. It has a rough edge. I'm going to make that sound. Are you ready? Maybe you can hear that. A dime is worth 10 cents. And then we have our quarter, my favorite president of all times, who loved animals, George Washington. Quarter, 25 cents. All right, we will be doing a lot of money games, so You will have some coins to cut out, or you can use real coins if you have enough of them at your house. But I would suggest going ahead and cutting out your coins so that you have them ready for math. I wanted to know about my sets of items. I wonder which one has more. Let's see. Oh yes, let's see these sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 X's. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 and 10. I'm going to write that underneath. This set equals 15. This set equals 10. Which set has the least amount of X's? Well, of course, 10 is less than 15. Let's see if that's true. 10, 15 on the second row, yes. Okay, and we can also tell there's more X's here than there are here. How many more is 15 than 10? Well, I can tell that already. 5 more. All right. Good job on sets. I can show you sets past 25. I'm sure you can also. Let's go over our number words real quick. These are not in order. These are out of order because you've done them a lot of times. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Read them with me. 9, 6. Oh, I popped 12 in there. 12. 4. 7. 10. 2. 1. 11. 11 jumped in there too. 0. 5. 8. 3. Please be practicing those so you recognize them without any trouble at all. Now let's look at these numbers. I want you to read these numbers with me. They are also out of order. They are not in numerical order. Are you ready? Here we go. 18, 17, 25, 22, 4, 26, 27, 23, 2, 15, 16, 0, 24, 21, 12, 11, 14, 8, 30. Out of order. Could you put these numbers in order? You've done it before. I'm sure you can do it again. That would be a good job for you to do as high as you can go. All right, I think we need to do some addition. Some more. Watch out for the symbol, addition, subtraction, and here is the equal symbol here. We have two different equal symbols, don't we? We have the one that has the two shorter lines or the longer line. On these, this has the longer line. All right, go ahead and answer these. 4 plus 5 equals, you're right, 9. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Again? Wow, that must be part of the number family of 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Oh, now we're going to do some went away. Are you ready? Subtraction. Watch out for those symbols when you're doing your worksheets. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 4 subtract 0 equals 4. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. Good job. Now when you're doing your worksheets, you might want to use some beans or some beads or some pennies if you need to for that work. All right, good job on addition. All right, right now I wanted to show you my really fancy ruler from McDonald's. I got this a long time ago. I'm going to show you the side with the inches, because that's what we're going to use, our standard measurement of inches. We are not going to use a non-standard measurement right now. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, 4, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 inches, or 1 foot. 12 inches equal 1 foot. Well, let me get my inches out here. I drew some, or my lines out here that I drew, and I'm going to see if I can measure those lines. Now my ruler is a little bit different than yours, so I am going to have to put my ruler up at the top, and wow, that line is exactly 4 inches long. So I've already written IN, the abbreviation for inches. I'm going to put a number 4 right on that line. 4 inches. Now this line is a little bit longer. Let me see how long it is right here. Number 2. All right, let's look. You can put your ruler underneath the line, but I have to put mine above there. Oh wow, 5 inches. All right, 5 inches. Down and around and put on a hat. Well, look at this tricky line right here. Part of it's here and part of it's there. I wonder if I could do that. Let's see, 2 inches. I'm going to write it right here so I remember. Then I'm going to measure this one. Oh, 2 inches again. All right, 2 inches there. 2 inches plus 2 inches equals 4 inches. Couldn't trick me on that one. I hope you don't get tricked on something like that. Make sure you use your ruler in the right place. In the right place to start with, or you might forget an inch. Right now we're going to look at tallies. Let's count these tallies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 4 down and tallied up 1 across 5. 4 down, tallied up 1 across equals 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now let's see number 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, slide, cut it in half for 4. Let's count these. I can just count groups of 5 right here. Ooh, I erased those. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 tallies. 2 with a 5 beside it. 25 tallies. If I put a number down here like number 6, could you tally 6 for me? 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, tally up, 5 across, plus a finger space and 1 more equals 6 tallies. Good job tallying, friends. Have fun practicing your tallies. Okay, over here I put my place value chart and my little pocket with my sticks to count how many days there are in a month. Well, I did this one for the 21st day of March, which it is not anymore. But I wanted to show you my 2 groups of 10. How many are in a bundle? 10, 20, 21. Put the 10s in the 10 side, 1s in the 1 side, because the 1s are not 10 yet. Okay, how would I write that on my place value mat? Let's see, who can tell me that one? Everybody tell me. What do I write on the 10 side? A 2 for the 2 bundles. And what do I write on the 1 side? A 1 for the 1 lonely stick. 21. 21. Oh, it looks just like that, 21. Oh, that was really good. Well, thank you for reviewing math with me today. I really had fun, and I'm looking forward to doing some more math with you. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.